Whoa! I about busted it. Welcome to the challenge show, folks. Alright, today, back to this yard again. And look what I have. Got a Kamatu key. I'm gonna get to play on that. So, I don't know if you watch the pond videos, you see that we came up with quite a bit of the dirt that we needed for the pond from down there and a little bit up this road. So I'm going to hop on the dozer and start pushing some of this dirt from right here up here so I can float it out into this. That culvert's going to end up in that hole because that culvert's too short. That's full of mud. If I can use the excavator, throw it around, ragdoll a little bit, get some of that mud busted out of there. Eventually that's going to be going back in that spot. So yeah, let's go find out what this dozer life's about. first time. I'm over here, Bob. First time really running a dozer here. And I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm going to take the excavator and dig that ditch back. Dig this ditch a little bit better, which I think the ditch itself is fine. It's just I buried the culvert. But yeah, so robbed all that dirt from right there like I said I was going to, and put it out here. So it's pretty level down there. You got a slope right here where you're turning in, but other than that, yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So I like running the dozer, that's for sure. Let's see if we can't dig this back out. Want to run the excavator?
Not mommy.
No, you want your mommy? Well, I think that's got it wrapped because that's coming. So things are about to get wet. And hopefully my ditch holds up. It should be alright. Once the water starts flowing through there, it'll open it up. I got this culvert opened up. It'll wash it all out of there. That's getting close to being done. I just don't think I could probably rob some more dirt, but I don't want too big of a drop off right here. Come and turn in and go down to the pond. I don't want a real big drop off there, and then I already robbed quite a bit of that dirt. So I'll probably leave this open, that way if I ever do run across any more dirt, it's about to get bad. If I run across any more dirt or do a job where somebody wants me to get rid of dirt, somebody needs dirt moved or get rid, gone, I can bring it in here and not cover up my gravel. But yeah, I really need another load. Brought in another load of gravel to fill this in and fill that in and maybe a little bit in there, and then I can start staging stuff in this area. So yeah, well, I appreciate y'all watching the Chelton Show, and stay tuned for future things. God bless.